Organ donations reached record numbers in 2017, and Lifeline of Ohio says it's partly due to the opiate epidemic. Thanks for staying with us at 5:30. I'm Mark Taylor.
And I'm ELLIE MERRITT. People who die from an overdose have the potential to donate, and it is saving lives. NBC4's COURTNEY YUEN is live in our studio with that story. COURTNEY?
ELLIE, Mark, in 2016, 93 people donated their organs through the Lifeline of Ohio. Last year, in 2017, there were 124 donors. That's a 33% increase. Tracy Johnson was one of those 124 donors last year. Her daughters tell us their mom was a giving person who always wanted to help others.
When she was alive, she was always helping people. And then after she passed away, she's still helping.
She's still helping people.
You know.
Sisters Brandy and Kelly Suttles remember their mother, Tracy Johnson.
She was a good-hearted person.
Whose organ donations helped save 2 people's lives.
It makes me feel ecstatic because knowing that there's still a part of her out there.
Haven says their mom struggled with addiction and suffered from other health problems.
People always think, oh, I won't be able to donate. I've done this, I've done that, I'm too sick. And actually, amazingly, she was able to. She was able to donate her liver, donate her kidney.
Suttles says their mom overdosed back in October. She spent a week in the hospital before she passed away.
I have imprinted in my head of my mom laying there every single day in that hospital, swelled up, holding her hand, and just knowing in the back of my head that it's not going to be the same anymore. I don't want anyone else to ever go through that.
But their mom's generosity and gift of life to people they never knew brings these sisters comfort.
She's like my hero, you know. She's always been my hero, and now she's even someone I look more up to even now.
Lifeline of Ohio says despite this year's record number of organ donations, the need for donors is still great. Right now, nearly 114,000 men, women, and children are waiting for a life-saving transplant. 615 of those people are right here in central Ohio. And Mark and ELLIE, the Lifeline of Ohio says that people often ask whether if drugs will be passed from the organ to the recipient. The answer to that is no. The organization says regardless of how someone passes away, each organ is always tested to make sure that there's a healthy, viable organ they're able to deliver to the transplant center.
All right, good to know. COURTNEY, thank you.
A busy freeway.